Hello, hello. This the next month will be a bit hectic. I'm invited next week to take part in a a panel discussion at the Berlin Fashion Week about AI. That will be interesting. And after that, I'm going with my team to LVMH in Paris to do a new AI workshop, and then going to New York, and afterwards to Massachusetts because a friend, she has an opening exhibition of really big marble sculpture work. I think I talked about that before. Then the official production of Ghostbirth 2 starts because I'm going with my DOP, director of photography, to Bangkok, and we're gonna do some test shoots. And yes, I'm starting a new project called Creative AI Academy. This is basically where we will put all the AI workshop knowledge together so I can keep this newsletter a bit more personal and have all the AI stuff under the name of a Creative AI Academy label. I think that's a good idea because it's also inviting for other collaborators, creative collaborators of mine to join. So we'll start an AI academy. I think that's pretty exciting. And yeah, now I already told you everything, but hopefully you can still subscribe to the newsletter.